What's up, YouTube? Shawn here with the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today I want to talk a lot about momentum, persistence, and the principle of compounding effort. This is a great video for you guys to understand that compounding effort over time is what leads to amazing and incredible results. All right, so let's cut the fluff and get straight to it. You guys have heard me talk about this before, about how real estate is incredibly difficult to get started, and it's basically like a train coming off the station. It takes a mountain-sized effort to get that train moving off the station at the beginning, but once it's firing down the track, it's really easy to keep that momentum going. And this is where the principle of compound effort comes into effect. So what we're doing today will start adding up into tomorrow, into next week, into next month, into next year. So all of the efforts that you're doing today are actually going to start to compound 3, 6, 12, 15 months down the road. So what you guys have to understand is when you look around the office or you look around your brokerage and you see a bunch of agents absolutely crushing it, that's not work that they did today. That's work that they probably did 3 months, 6 months, 9 months ago, and it's compounding. So that compounding effort over time is what leads to massive, massive months. One of the things that we see all the time is every time a realtor goes on vacation, they're closing all these deals. You always hear them say, oh, I should take more vacations because that's when I'm the busiest and I close the most deals. Well, none of that business came from being on vacation. Clearly, all of that business came from the compounded effort before they went on vacation, and it just happened to pile up when they left. The problem is when you come back from vacation, especially when you take a long one, like a month off or something, your compounded effort has stopped. So you're likely gonna have a dead month 2 or 3 months down the road because again, you weren't prospecting in all that time. So what does that mean for you and your business? It means that you need to keep making small incremental steps every single day, and the full variety of prospecting methods that you have available to you continually over time, and those will start to compound into amazing and incredible results. I remember the biggest month I had in my first year in the business, again, 17 transactions. We don't do leases where I'm from. So again, these are true sales that I did. And those sales did not come from that month. They clearly came from all of the efforts that I was putting in the months prior. Again, I was working like crazy, 12, 16 hours a day. I'm not saying you guys have to do that, but if you want these incredible, amazing results, you are gonna have to put in the time, but that truly does compound into amazing results. So if you guys are putting in the work today and you're not starting to see the results happen, do not stress. This is where the persistence part kicks in. You need to stay very persistent on your tasks. You need to be diligent with your prospecting and then understand that it will turn into something amazing. And once that momentum takes off, ride that momentum wave and do not fall off. Keep up with the principle of compound effort and your business will thrive. All right, this is just a quick little video for today. Again, guys, you need to keep that momentum going, and you keep momentum going by that compounded effort over time that will relate 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the road. So if you're hustling, if you're grinding, if you're not getting results, do not stress. The deals are coming. Have faith, be persistent, keep rocking it out. If this video was useful for you guys, ring the bell up top, subscribe so you don't miss any videos coming up in the future. And again, we love connecting with agents. So leave me some comments or DMs down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Fire me off an email. We've been growing the GSP community for a while now. We are fully live in the US, Canada, Mexico. We're looking to cross overseas here pretty quick. And honestly, we're looking for more great agents. If you're looking to find a group to work with that's actually dedicated and motivated to you and your business, as well as you to theirs, let's keep talking about how to work together more. All right, guys, till next time.